An engineering mix-up at the Piatt County Public Safety Building has been giving maintenance crews a headache and making conditions uncomfortable at the jail.
The wrong HVAC system is now 15 years old, so crews are concerned about the upkeep as it ages. The issue came up again at the county's last Building and Grounds Committee meeting. WCI3's Emily Braun live in the newsroom. All right, so Emily, first of all, this is the wrong HVAC system?
Yep, there was a mistake 15 years ago when it was put in 2004. There were supposed to be 4 20-ton air compressors, so everything else in the HVAC system was built to accommodate that. But instead, you can see here 2 40-ton compressors were installed, and well, that's a big difference. The system hasn't been working efficiently. It couldn't convert all the Freon to gas to make the air conditioning work the way it was supposed to. So the extra Freon was turning into sludge. Last year, the jail even lost air conditioning for a couple of days. Now, that hasn't happened this year, but the sheriff says during the summer, it's tough for the building to stay cool when heat and humidity kick in. So in short, because of the mix-up during construction 15 years ago, maintenance crews say it's been a lot of damage control since then.
It would be nice if we could go back to the original design with the 4 20-ton compressors. That way we have 2 separate circuits, and so we would have that redundancy if something were to happen.
I asked if they could consider replacing the entire system so that the HVAC system is installed the way the building was designed for it to be, but they said it's just too costly and the county can't foot that bill. The maintenance supervisor told me at one point the county had looked into a lawsuit because of this mix-up, but it never carried through. Jennifer?
Oh, so they just have to live with it.
Yep.
All right, thank you, Emily. So that's not the only maintenance problem at the jail, though. There are also problems with doors, so they don't always open when they're supposed to. There are also occasional issues with the sump pump, which causes a particularly bad smell in one of the restrooms.